Masayang ibinahagi ni Marjorie Barreto na hindi lang pala travel ang pinunta nila sa ibang bansa, kundi para na rin matupad ang isa sa mga pangarap ng kanyang anak na si Erich na makapag-aral sa Oxford University sa England. Kaya naman sa isang post ay pinakita ni Marjorie ang pagkakaroon nga ng opportunity ni Erich na mag-apply sa nasabing school at nakapasa nga ito at natanggap. Mahirap man kay Marjorie na iwan ang kanyang anak para mag-aral doon, pero pansamantala lamang ito. Ang mahalaga sa kanya ay matupad ang pangarap ni Erich. Ayon kay Marjorie, her courage takes her places my dreams never reach, sharing more from our July UK trip. My brave Erich applied and got accepted to Oxford summer courses all on her own. She chose to take up psychology. When she dreams, she goes out and gets them. We can only stand behind her with full support. Alam ng maraming netizen na medyo mahal ang mag-aral sa Oxford pero ayon na rin kay Marjorie, hindi mababayaran ng anumang material na bagay ang experience na makukuha doon ni Erich. Kwento pa ni Marjorie na hindi madali na iwan ng anak sa nasabing paaralan. Inside, my mommy heart was breaking, worried she might be too young to be on her own, but at the same time overflowing with pride. My eyes in these photos might give away how hard it was to let go. I knew I was going to miss her so much. I worried too much, but I was also deeply happy she gets to experience things I never even dreamed were possible for me. July truly stretched us both in ways that made us both grow up. At 13, she has taught me the art of letting go and that no one is too young or too old to chase after their dreams. Ayon sa mga netizen, ang abot usually ng 2 weeks ang nasabing summer class at minsan ay umaabot din sa halos kalahating milyon ang mag-aral sa Oxford. Samantala natuwa naman ang maraming fans na suportado ni Marjorie ang pag-aaral ng kanyang anak at hindi alintana ang presyo nito. Ang mahalaga ay matupad ni Erich at ma-expose ito sa international school at sea.